Hi everyone, this is Professor Sanchez. Welcome to Poetry Writing. I am so excited to work with you all this semester and teach you what I've learned about poetry and also learn from you all as well. Just a little bit about how to navigate the course. This is our home page, and you can get to the course material by clicking on modules. Every week we'll have a module with a different topic. And right now you'll just be able to see the week 1 module, but as we go, I will open up the following weeks a little bit ahead of time in case you want to get started. In the week 1 module, you'll see a link to the syllabus. You can also get that by going here. You'll see an overview, which you'll have each week, which will tell you exactly what our goals are and then what you need to do for that week. We have an introduction discussion this week where I would like you to post a little bit about yourself in general and as a poet. To post, you can just click here on reply and you can type in the text box. And then if you want to respond to somebody, you can click on reply underneath their post and click there. Click to post reply for it to show up. The requirements are that you have a certain number of words for each post and that you respond to at least 2 of your peers. The last assignment for this week is a weekly prompt. So each week we will have just a writing prompt that you'll submit to me. I'm not going to necessarily give feedback, but I'll take a look at it. And if something strikes me, of course, I'll write you a note. So this week's prompt is write your autobiography as a poem in 5 lines or less. This is just to get you writing regularly. So every week you'll be writing at least 1 poem, probably more. And the more you write, it's kind of amazing, the more you'll want to write and the better your work will get. So I hope that you'll be able to see that. A lot of people talk about it as a faucet. You know, the faucet is turned off. And then when you turn it on, it starts to sort of trickle. And then the more you turn it on, it starts to flow. And I'm hoping that the writing and inspiration will flow out of you by the end of the semester, and you'll have sort of a writing routine that you can do. It might be helpful if you like to handwrite things to get a journal just for this class, or have like some paper just for this class that you'll use to write in. I recommend trying to write daily if you can, even if it's just a word or a line, just writing something every day. If that's not possible for you, you can't take those 5 minutes to do that. I understand. Maybe you write a few times a week in your journal. If you're someone who likes to type, then maybe you just have a Word file on your computer or a Google Doc or something where you can keep your writing for the semester. That way you have everything at the end of the semester. We'll be working towards a portfolio, and that way you'll have everything in one place to take a look at. Okay, so I think that's all for now. I want to emphasize that I am here for you. I want to help you. I know some of you are not poets, maybe, or you think you're not a poet. I'm going to convince you that you are this semester, but that's my challenge. Even if you're new to poetry, welcome and just step right in. Have confidence in yourself and your writing and just go for it. This class is not about following all the rules and making perfect writing and living up to someone else's expectations. This class is about finding your creative voice and expressing yourself in the way that you'd like to. So I hope that you can kind of let go and just really enjoy this creative part of your CCP journey. All right, I'll see you soon online. Have a good one.